Hi everyone, welcome to the Dollar Tree. So this is the Dollar Tree that's near my home, and they're pretty stocked when it comes to these crafting items for the holidays. So let's take a look at them. Oh, look how cute. I absolutely love these wood cutouts. That gingerbread man is so cute. And this is one of my favorite cutouts, the ornaments. So then we have the star, and we also have the truck over there with the Christmas tree in the back. So I'm loving the wood cutouts. So this Dollar Tree is pretty stocked on this tulle and the Decor mesh. They have the whole row up on the top that's filled, and this is along the bottom. And I'm absolutely loving this garland. I believe this garland is about 15 feet. That is a great buy for $1. So now we're getting into the Christmas stickers, the holiday stickers, and all of the ribbons, and even those crafting jars along the bottom. But my thing is all of these ribbons. They are so stocked with these. I'm so happy about that. Now these right here, the Santa Claus and the little gingerbread man, have to go around these boxes. That looks like it may be new to this Dollar Tree. And then look at all these ribbons. I'm absolutely loving it. So we got a lot of crafting items here, and then we're going to head on over to the Crafter Square in the back of the store as soon as we're done up here. So now we're in the crafting section, and these signs over here are new to this Dollar Tree, and they're kind of cute. They do have the tea light in the back, so they have a couple of sayings on them. So I spotted these two signs over here, and I know these are new to this Dollar Tree. This one says love and the other one says home. They're cute. So I'm not sure if these little mini planters are new, at least these animals, they come out with a few every so often. And then these over here I think are a good buy. Those are hooks. And they're cast iron, and those are nice. And I like these too. Those are really nice. And here's some more of those little planters. What I'm really liking is that truck and the camper. I think that is so adorable. So I do hope that you enjoyed the shopping trip to the Dollar Tree. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.